Hello. Just a few concepts that I want to touch on today. Um, I want to touch on change of character today. I just want to touch on change of character. I want to touch on change of character. What is change of character? This is whereby the market wants to reverse a trend. This is where the market wants to actually move from maybe a buy trend to a sell trend. So they create change of characters within the markets. Okay, they create change of characters within the market. So as we can see from the Euro USD over here, we've been having a downtrend that has been going on for quite some while now. As you can see, this has been a downtrend that has been happening because price was creating lower lows. Okay, yes. But when Euro USD got to this area over here, Euro USD decided, no, let me create a change of character. Um, why do I say that it was a downtrend? Because the price has been closing candles below the previous low. As you can see here, this was the previous low. Price closed below this was the previous low. Let me just grab that. Price closed below there, as you can see. So price kept on closing below the previous lows, as you can see from this over here. And when price got to this area here, price did not close below that low. Okay, price did not close below that low. But what price did, it just came, then went and closed above. Then price came, let me just take this one, let me use this one, and closed above that high, creating a new higher high. Can you see that? Yes, it created a new higher high when price closed above that high. So meaning that the market wanted to actually make a shift towards the buying side. Okay, it wanted to make a shift towards buying instead of towards selling. Right, yeah, because there's lots of liquidity actually, the price is to grab all above here. So right now we're in an uptrend because price keeps on closing above the higher highs. Let's just use this one here. Can you see this was that high? Price came and closed above that high. Price came and closed above this high over here. So when price does that, what do we expect that price could actually do? It would come down for retracement, then go all the way up. Okay, yes. So that is what we are talking about when we're saying we're having a change of character. So this is our change of character over here. Let's just highlight that. This is our change of character right over there. Okay, so in short, it's called a charge, a change of character. Let me just put it properly. It is called a change of character. So what does the market do after a change of character is created? It goes to an order block or a supply area. Okay, in this case, we have this as our order block. Let me just remove that quick. We have this as our order block right over there. Right, we have that as our order block. Right, then we have this as an interesting supply area. Right, now there's reasons why price did not go to that area. Supply, sorry, no, it's demand. Sorry, not supply, demand. So this is our demand area, right? Yes. So there's a reason why price did not go all the way down to this order block here, right? So what I usually do is after I see my demand area, after I see this on a higher time frame, on an H1 time frame, I come and scale it down to the M15 time frame. I scale it to the M15 time frame and see exactly why price didn't go down to this order block here on the M15 time frame. So let's refine our order block to over there. So that's our order block right there. And this After on the M15, as you can see from the M15 time frame, we were in a downtrend, right? In a downtrend, downtrend. Then price decided to break the high, this high over here, which is our change of character. After price broke that high, price came down, also breaking this high, as you can see over here, this high here. Can you see that? Price closed above there, and then price came down to fill up this imbalance here. Just tapped on the imbalance. We also call it the fair value gap. Okay, we also call it the fair value gap. So price came, tapped on the fair value gap, right? That's supposed to update fair value gap. Yeah, there. Tapped on the fair value gap. Could have got your entry over here. Let's see if we got our entry over there on the beginning of the fair value gap. We would have a stop loss of about 10 pips below this low here, and we would target obviously the high, yesterday's high, which is about there. That's a 1:6 trade, and on just a few hours, then price would have got there. But nevertheless, anyways, we have our demand right over here, right? Let's just remove that. Let's just remove that as well. Let's remove that as well. Let's remove that. That was on the M15 time frame, right? So now we have our demand over here on the H1 time frame. That's the one that we're actually looking out for. And then we scale it down. We look at really what caused the break of the structure here. Okay, let's remove that. What caused this right here? This is a BOS, or break of structure. What caused it to happen? Okay, what caused it to happen is because of this candle here, this M15 candle, right? So when you have this candle, you know that the market, and we have a break of structure, and we had a change of character. So you know that the market might come there and start pulling all the way up. Also, other factors influencing um, the move to the upside. As you can see here, we have an impulsive move. This is a correction move. Then we have an impulse again. As you can see, there's a correction impulse. Then there's a whole correction, and the impulse over there. That's a whole correction and the impulse that is actually currently happening. So as you can see, we would have got a good entry from here. A good entry to the buy side. Let's look at how many pips that could have been. This is, you actually place it below that, and of course you take profit, you put it above yesterday's high or just at yesterday's high, which is somewhere there. 1:12 right over there, with a 5 pip stop loss. The 5 pip stop loss. So here we had a 10 pip stop loss, and here we have a 5 pip stop loss. So we've actually reduced the number of stuff. You can even put it, if let's say we want to go even below, further than that, we can even put it there with a 3 pip stop loss. 1:17 trade is a very good trade indeed. Right. So on today, let's see if we had any trades today. I don't think we had any trades today, unless if we're actually using this information below here. So here we had these equal lows here. We had these equal lows. Let's see if I had actually served a template for equal lows. Yes, we do have these equal lows here, and prices to take out those equal lows and actually head back towards its direction. So here we had a fair value gap. Let's do that. We had a fair value gap because prices to come into this area here, it is now a new demand area, and price left fair value gap. So price came, tapped into that fair value gap, created a good reversal pattern there. You would have entered your trade over here, and all the way targeting this high, yesterday's high. So as you can see, you can actually get these trades on a daily basis, just targeting yesterday's low or yesterday's high. Look at this. This is yesterday's low. You get your trade over there because of this here, of this right over there. You get your trade after this reversal pattern has formed 1, 2, 3 candles. You get your sell. You target yesterday's low, which is that one, and you've got your good you got yourself some good pips over there. So you enter your trade right over here at the beginning of that candle, and your stop loss above there, about 8 pips stop loss, with your take profit of about 16 pips over there, about 21 pips. So you're looking at 1 is to 2.7, which is not quite bad. So if you're actually targeting the low exactly, you get a 1 is to 2.9, which is almost a 1 is to 3 trade. So you could actually be getting this trade, as you can see here as well. This one, you would have probably missed it. You would have probably missed this trade here because there's a lot of activity that's actually happening here towards the selling side. So let me just remove that a little bit. Right there. Okay, let's remove that as well. So yeah, that's what it's all about when I'm actually trading. That's what I look for on a daily basis, and that's what I actually anticipate the market would do. Yes. Also, I look at mixing it with news as well, fundamentals in terms of macroeconomics and microeconomics as well, looking at where the market is actually wanting to go, what's happening with the dollar, what's happening with euro, and why is it going up, why is it going down, and stuff like that. Yes, so that's what I usually do. So hope you learned something in this video, and hope this video is very beneficial to you, and to you're gonna be able to kick some ass in trading and have some pips actually. Ciao.